All right, in this video, we're going to edit the main settings here. There's not a whole lot to this. There's a few areas that I'm going to show you specifically, things that you should look out for. But to be honest with you, you're just going to basically fill in your directory main settings with just some basic information, contact information, email. Here you would put in some heading text. Now that would be just, welcome to the best pizza in Whittier, California. If you don't see your favorite, let us know. All right, I'm not going to bore you with typing in a whole bunch of information here, but you kind of get the idea. You have keywords that you can put in here: best pizza, Whittier, California. You put a description of what the site is. If you want to upload an image, you're going to go ahead and click the link there, and then you just go ahead and select one of your header images. We give you a package of images, so you should have that to make it easy. You also have the Photoshop file, so you can edit it and make sure it says, best pizza in Whittier, California, if you'd like. Okay, you can put a link to the header. If you have a tracking code or you have some type of Facebook marketing that you want to do, you can go ahead and put that. It's a header script area, so it'll go throughout the entire script. Okay, the randomized listings button, this toggles the listings so that once you start building your directory with business listings, the directory will actually randomize them, so the listing on top will not always be on top. Okay, if that makes sense. They'll keep randomizing, so that even the third position will end up on the first position every time new traffic visits the site. Now, we do have exclusive listings that we sell, and those are always on the very top. Okay, you want the exclusive ones to be above the fold, very top, so you can sell those for high dollar. All right. As far as color schemes, you have the option here that you're going to select inside the bar here. And then what you can do is just move this little circular object, or you can move this slider here up and down. Okay, so once you find your color here, what you're going to do is click this color icon right here, and then the color will stick there. Okay, so that's how that works. Just make sure, again, let me go and show you, we'll do the text footer. If I want my text footer, to be this purple color, I'll put my slider there. See, there's my circular object, and then I'm going to hit this color icon, and then the color will stick. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of things that you can use. You can change the font family, if you'd like. But what you always want to remember to do is hit this save button. Once you hit the save button, okay, then you'll start to see some of the changes will start taking place. Okay, so for example, that green background, best pizza in Whittier, I really don't like how that looks. So the header background, or the header font color, I'll have to change that over to white. Okay, and then if I change my font, save it, okay, you can see there that it's changed a little bit. All right, so let me go ahead and open link in a new tab. And you can see that I'm starting to put my directory together. Okay, I've got my welcome text, I've got my footer text. Only thing I'm kind of missing are, to link these up right here, and then to put my listings. So it's all coming together. This is how you edit the main area, the main settings. In another video, we'll have to get into the pages, so we can set up pages. And then obviously our listings, that's the key here, is to start adding our listings to start maybe selling these or getting some business from our local directory. Thanks for watching this video.